Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Today I have something important to go over, and it's a law and a regulation that's set to expire December 31st of 2012. And it's going to affect many, many homeowners nationally. And it's the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act of 2007 that was enacted by President Bush before he left office. And it's been tremendous ever since he did, and it's benefited a lot of homeowners. And basically, long story short, what this act and regulation means is this. In a foreclosure, short sale, in a property situation specifically that I'm talking about today, when a lender or a bank forgives any sort of balance that you owe them, that they're entitled to give you a 1099 to pay taxes on. But since this was enacted when President Bush left, if you do a short sale, for example, you owe Bank of America $500,000, and you short sell the property for $350,000, meaning there's a negative balance that B of A is going to forgive you for $150,000. As long as that transaction is closing or closes prior to December 31st, 2012, you're pretty much in the clear from paying taxes on it as far as the difference goes. And obviously there's rules and regulations apply, but for the most part, got to talk to your CPA, but that law protects you and homeowners for the most part. But once it expires, it's not going to be a good situation. Imagine having to pay $150,000 of additional income and paying taxes on that $150,000, because that's what would happen. Now, I hope and I pray that the Congress and the government's going to extend that policy, but none of us know what's going to happen with that. So if you're considering doing a short sale, you're upside down on your home, you're just stressed because you're heading towards foreclosure, and you have some sort of financial or health hardship that is causing you to be late on your mortgage or whatever that situation might be, in regard to your real estate, contact our offices 7 days a week at 949-272-0125. And if you're out of the Orange County or Southern California area, contact a local realtor that does short sales. Contact a real estate attorney immediately and see if you qualify and if you have the amount of time to be able to conduct this. Because it's super, super beneficial to do this, hands down. And for more information on this act, on this law, potential extensions that might happen, and other rules and regulations in the state of California regarding short sales and the short sale process, go to our short sale website at www.preventocforeclosure.com. And as always, tune in next week for another awesome edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.